Welcome to JH. In this guide, I am going to demonstrate how to print double-sided using Canva, a useful skill that will make your design projects look professional while remaining eco-friendly. Let's jump right in and go through this process step by step to ensure you can print beautiful two-sided documents without any trouble. To begin, navigate to canva.com and ensure you are signed in by clicking the login button located in the upper right corner. If you aren't logged in yet, you have several convenient options such as using Google, Facebook, or your email address. Choose your preferred method, and once you have accessed your account, we can start working on your project. Now, you can either start a brand new creation or open a design you have already been developing. Opening the platform gives you a fresh start or the opportunity to continue with your existing work. If you are beginning a new project, feel free to explore the excellent free templates found in the design section. These templates serve as a perfect starting point for your creativity, or you can simply make final adjustments to your current work if it needs any refinement. Once your design is exactly how you want it, look toward the top right corner of the interface and click the Share button. You will see several options, but for this task, we need to select Download. Because we are preparing for a physical print, change the file type to PDF print to ensure your design stays high quality. Additionally, it is vital to set the color profile to CMYK. This specific setting is intended for printing and ensures the colors in your work appear as true to life as possible once they are on paper. After adjusting these settings, click the Download button. Give the platform a moment to process and prepare your file for saving. A little patience is necessary here as it finishes packaging your hard work. When the design is saved to your device, it is time to print it out. To access the printing menu, press the Ctrl and P keys simultaneously. This action opens the print dialog box where you can finalize your settings. Crucially, make sure you check the Print on Both Sides box. This tells your printer to use both sides of the sheet, which is ideal for saving paper and achieving a professional look. Finally, click the Print button. Just like that, your double-sided project moves from your screen to the physical world. You are now fully prepared to create high-quality double-sided documents in Canva whenever you need them. Enjoy sharing your clean designs and making the most of every sheet of paper.